Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are testing out something. I had a subscriber send me a gift, and the gift is the Charlotte Tilbury, what's it called? Contour wand. And my color is light medium. So we're going to be testing this out. I know I'm going to love it though. I already tried it on my hand a little bit, but I haven't tried it on my face yet. And it came with some samples. So we're going to test out this. This is the new Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So we're going to test this out, and since it has really tiny samples though, so I may end up mixing a few just so that I have enough. Because the Charlotte Tilbury, let me read you what it says about them. About the Airbrush Flawless finish, it says, stays all day, all night, a full coverage foundation with a flawless, matte, long-lasting finish. And it comes in 44 colors, I believe, is what I counted. So it comes in a lot of shades. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of shiny. There, I'll put it over my face. Anyways, and then we are also, it comes with two samples, and the other sample is the Magic Away Liquid Concealer, which comes in 16 shades, and it says full coverage, long lasting, anti-dark circle correcting concealer. So we're going to try this out too, although it gave, the first one is fair pale. Oh, it's just really light. Doesn't look light in the packaging, but it back here, it looks super light. So anyways, we're going to try both of these out. I've already primed my face with my, all I used was this time was my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So let's just get started. I'm going to use this brush. Okay, let's bust open these samples. I think I'm probably going to need the lighter ones. Oh, it's really light. Good. That way we can add some more from other, can mix it up. Mix them together. Oops, get rid of the glasses. Hopefully this will spread out really nicely, because I don't have very much. Alright, that's about all I'm going to get out of there. Hopefully this will spread out nicely. And be perfect. Probably turn out the best ever because I won't be able to put too much on. Seems like it's enough. I don't know, it looks like it's going to be a bit cakey. Hopefully that will change here in just a moment. Alright, what do you guys think? So I'm just going to go over it with my damp sponge. Which it really doesn't even need. But that may be because I have so little on there. Alright, that's all it needs. But I wouldn't say it's full coverage. And I would be afraid to put more. because it kind of acts like it wants to be cakey, but I don't have more to add anyways, so we're just going to go with that. And I cleaned those out, see? Because there's practically nothing in there. Basically, these are just to show you the colors, I think. Because I don't know if I'd call them samples. So anyway, looking at this for our concealer, I'm thinking that the number, okay, so the number 3 I think is going to be the one I want. Even though right there it looks dark. I can always go back and add some number 1 if it's too dark though. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, put it in where I normally put it, all over my lid. Yeah, they don't want you to get too much. Which is crazy. Why else would you try it? Yeah, I'm not loving this concealer because, well, it's hard to say when you don't have enough. It seems really thick, though. And dry. It seems good everywhere except under my eyes. Under my eyes it looks a little dry. Maybe after I set it, it'll be better. Alright, let's go in with our magic wand here. Do some contouring. Now, I haven't used it yet, but I did squeeze it up to the top and try it on my back of my hand. So I do like the color. Now I'm just gonna blend it out. I love the color. Thank you to the subscriber who sent this to me. I think it's nice. Yeah, I really like this. I don't really think I care for the concealer. The foundation, I'll have to let you know. I'll have to let you know on the foundation. And today's wear test is going to be later than I can have it to be able to put this video up today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it and I'll go ahead and upload, and then I'll put the wear test results in the information box because it takes a long time to upload, and so I won't be able to wait until I've got that last clip in. Look for the wear tests in the information box below because I'm going to end it after I get all my makeup on and come back and show it to you. I'll give you my initial thoughts. Beyond this, my initial thoughts after I've got all my makeup on, and then I will put at the top, I will pin a comment at the top of what I really think after wearing it almost all day, till this afternoon when I have to put this up. I was going to do the Armani one. I wonder if their samples look big. No. This is the all-nighter concealer, and then the Armani. Yeah, see, the Armani ones have like a whole packet, so that's what we're going to do next week. And then I will do the all-nighter concealer with it because I can mix a couple of them. Have you guys tried the all-nighter concealer? I've never tried it. And I've never tried the Armani either. So, okay, let's go in with powder. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores because it's so good. And I'm going to apply it with my sponge. See if I can get a little more brightness under my eyes. I'm going to use the bottom of my sponge because I forgot. Just to make sure there's no creases. And it's not sinking into lines. The foundation seems to be doing really well, even though I don't think I have enough on. But the concealer is a bit dry. Just want to get it in all these wrinkles to keep the foundation from settling. It doesn't seem to be settling because there's not very much there. Alright, now I'm just going to take my powder brush and spread that out to the rest of my face. Well, I like it. I love the contour. It's so simple. And I like, well, yeah, I think I like the foundation. I don't know. It seems like it wants to cake. Yeah, I think I probably don't. Because it does seem like it's a little bit cakey. So I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my makeup, and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back. And this is going to be where I end this video because, like I said, I don't have time. I have to get it started uploading. I have to get off here, edit it, get it started uploading, And then I will, before I release it this evening, I will come in and put in the information box my final thoughts. But for now, what I think of this foundation is that I don't like it because it's clinging to dry patches really a lot. It looks cakey. It didn't cover spots. It's not really sinking into lines. It's just this cakey lookingness. I can't imagine if I'd have had a bottle of it and I could have put more on. I think it would have been horrible. Because right now, I can see, I mean, in this mirror, which is magnified, but especially where the concealer is, and it should, you know, the concealer should play nice with it, but oh my gosh, it's like, I don't know, it's bad. It's bad, especially right there. It's really dry right there, because I think I told you guys that my face was breaking out from, I think from the cupping. Not from the cupping itself, from the oil. So I'm trying other things. Actually, I haven't been trying because our hot water heater went out and I didn't have hot water and there was no way I was going to put oil on my body and not have hot water to get it off. So I will be starting that up again soon because we have hot water again. So anyways, but as far as this goes, my face is cleared up because I haven't been putting oil on it. And but the stuff I put on it to clear it up dries it out, and it is really dry, and this foundation is not doing well at all with I mean, it's only dry, like right up here I had a little patch, and then I seem to have a huge patch right here, which I didn't even know I had until I put this on. So anyways, this is going to get a thumbs down from me, for now. I will put it in, I can't see it getting better. I mean, maybe if I sweat on it or something, but I don't really want to do that. Anyway, yeah, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It's getting a thumbs down from me at this point. I'll let you know in the information box if it changed. But for now, it's definitely a thumbs down. And this Magic Away Liquid Concealer, it's even worse. So if you have dry skin, I mean, this might be awesome for people with oily skin. If you have dry skin, I would say it's a no. Go. Now, the wand, this guy, this Charlotte Tilbury thing, love it. Love, love, love it. It's so soft and subtle, and yet it is so subtle, but yet it works. It's awesome. It is awesome. I love it. I also still love my Charlotte Tilbury cream shadow, the Marie Antoinette. I love that. So, it's nothing against the brand. I just don't like these. My skin is just too dry for these, the concealer and the foundation. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And don't forget to check the information box for my final thoughts. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!